Hai guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, in this video I will do a tutorial on how deal with a problematic laptop such as a no bootable device like the one in the picture. But before we go the video, you don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel so that I will excited for upload video with you. Okay guys, don't need to linger. Let's go the video. Okay guys, this is the display of a problematic laptop like no bootable device. Now here we want to able to process or speed any case because it is located, and then just go the tutorial to fix. Okay, first we press the Alt, the light control button simultaneously, and after we press the laptop, it will turn itself off, then turn on again, and when it turns on there will appear answer, and when answer appears we press F2 or F2 many times until a menu appears, and a will immediately appear which we will set the guys. Okay, immediately we move to the main menu, then we go down to the F12 boot menu, then we change is to enable. Then we move the where bots below is enable, we can change it to legacy. And then so after that we press OK, then OK again, then we enter F then keyboard, then OK again, and after that we wait for the menu or our first laptop screen. The gaze weather and laptop are back to normal, helpful. This useful. Okay, bye bye. Okay guys, I hope my video is useful. You don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I think enough for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.